everyone, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here sharing a quick country craft creation design team project, and it is my December daily for 2018, and I used exclusively the Christmas Village collection from Bo Bunny, and I believe she still has some of these left. And the best thing about scrapbooking Christmas is, like, you don't have to do it at Christmas time. So and you can always also use the same paper collection next year, which I've done plenty of times, just using up my scraps. So I started out with 12 sheets. It may have been more than 12, but it was one of each sheet of the collection. And I did, this is my third project with it, because I did the two December daily project, or 12 Days of Christmas projects, which was the explosion box and the, what was the other one I did? It was so long ago, I can't remember. It'll come to me, like, before the end of the video. So, yeah, this is all I have left. And of course, it's a Christmas collection. Now, this is like bare bones December daily, so I may add some more embellishments, but I wanted to show you guys what it was like with just the paper collection. So, probably next year, like the beginning of November, I'll post like an updated one with more embellishments and stuff in it, because I got a huge box of Christmas paper and embellishments and stuff like that that I can add. So I used this Bo Bunny, it's called, what is it called? Miscellaneous Me Bo Bunny 6x9 binder, I think it is. And these I don't think are available anymore, but I did notice that Tamara still had some of the page protectors in stock. So if you have one of these or something similar with a 1-inch, or not even a 1-inch, but just a 3-inch or 3-ring binder, that's a 6x9, you want to may see if these, if the Miscellaneous Me page protectors will fit, because she definitely has one of those. Okay, let's see. Since it's, sorry, since it's in a page protectors, I'm going to turn off that really bright light. The video may look a little dimmer, but at least you won't have that huge glare. So, I haven't labeled the outside yet. I will use some stickers of sorts to put 2018 in that little box, much like my last December daily, which I'll link below. And it was just a Mod Podge of different papers, but this is exclusively the Christmas collection. So just to show you how far you can get with your paper collections. The title page just says December Daily 2018. It's really simple. I got some white glittery thickers and some gray enamel dots, and then the 2018 is a pink sticker from, who is that company? Snap Studios. And then I just start in, and I don't go necessarily by days, but I go by events. So the first one I did day 1, and there was like this photorealistic holly paper, and then it came with 25 little buildings labeled 1, or 24. It was 24 little buildings labeled 1 through 24, and I used those on the first 24 pages, and I haven't used anything on the subsequent pages because I have 31 events, but I will label those. So the first one is my wreath, and it just says tradition here in these old October afternoon script fonts, and then some blue enamel dots. I have a community band and my daughter playing the clarinet, and then her with grandma at the concert, because grandma came up and watched at the college. And I just used some washi tape there. So, and this is a 2 4x6 page protector. Event 3 was, that's what I did, my shaker cards. That was my first event for or not shaker cards, but shaker tags for the 12 Days of Christmas, shaker tags, and then the explosion box. So these are the shaker tags that I did, and day 3 was just Christmas crafts. So again, I got a picture of the shaker tags, a pocket letter I sent, and then I actually have a picture of the first page of my December daily in my December daily. Number 4 was this gingerbread house that Madison made. I helped her with. It was a school project, so I just put the gingerbread house, and her friends came over. It was a German project, and they had different, or he had different things to do, and so he utilized some of my crafty stuff to help him with his project, and Madison did a gingerbread house. Okay, and day 4. Oh, okay, no, day 5. That was day 4. Day 5 is a double spread, and it's about the Christmas tree, so I did a picture of the Christmas tree. Day 5, there's me terrorizing my dogs, trying to get one of those cool pictures with all the lights on it. She's not happy about that. She doesn't want anything to do with the lights, so Madison, my daughter, she's a good sport, so she put them on for me so I could take a picture of her. Day 6 is baking. I actually woke my daughter up at like 9 o'clock in the morning, which is extremely early for her, so she could bake cookies for my stepmom's birthday. And she did that, and I had a stocking kit to go out as a swap, a scrappy swap, and she made cookies for that too. The event number 7 was Madison's birthday. I got her a whole box full of goodies. She got a Niffler Christmas ornament and a gift card for Barnes & Noble, and these are the books that she bought on a different day, but it was still for her birthday, so it's on day 7. Day 8, which is on the same day as my daughter's, my stepmom's birthday, and there's her opening her gifts. Not day 8, but event 8. Event 9 is actually the same day, but it's Tom and I, we went out to eat for Linda's birthday, and we don't get very many pictures together, so that was our day 9 event. Day 10, one of the things that I got Madison in her box full of goodies is it's called Poppin' Cookin', and it's a really cute Japanese like candy kit, and I think it's like mostly bean paste, but these little bean paste things, you mix them together and then you mold them, and it makes different things. Like this one was the sushi kit, and had this really cool like droplet thing to make it look like the little fish eggs on top. So anyways, it was super cool. We just laugh and laugh and laugh when we were making these. So yeah, those are neat. So that was event 10. Event 11 is when the foreign language club for school goes caroling. So there's a picture of her and her friends. There's a couple funny stories to go along with that. Day 12 is a picture with Santa. We have been getting pictures of Santa since she was born. So this is the 16th picture with Santa, or 17th. I'm not sure, but yeah, I haven't missed a year yet. For event 13, for Christmas, my daughter got a puppy, and there's her and Nova. You guys mostly all seen that if you are on my social media. Day 14 is a funny story. We turns out that for like the last probably 8 years, Madison's stocking has actually been a wine bag, and I just figured that out. So I went and bought her a new stocking. That's it in the foreground, and in the background I hung this old wine bag stocking on the tree, which I actually gave with a bottle of wine this year. So I told her, I was like, yeah, for the last 8 years you've been using a wine gift bag for a stocking. So that was kind of funny. Day 15 was her Christmas concert, and she had 3 solos, 1 saxophone, and 2 clarinet solos. So yay. That was fun, and I just put a little music note sticker in there, and there's her little band. And then day 16, Panda, our middle puppy, she got a groom, a bath, and a haircut, and it was awesome because I had actually won a drawing for a free groom, and because they're such big dogs, it's over $100 to groom. So that was pretty much, I mean, that was great. That was free. King was supposed to go too, but his back legs are hurting him, so I opted out for him, and we just got his nails clipped, and you know, that's good. Day 17, or event 17, was me trying to get all 3 of these dogs in a picture in front of the Christmas tree, which was just a funny event in itself because, yeah, that was nearly impossible. So the closest I got was Panda in the front, and we're holding up French fries for them to look at us, just saying. Panda in the front and King in the middle, very attentive, and then the puppy is back here chewing on King's tail. So that's as close as getting that picture as I got. Event 18, again, the poppin' cookin'. This one was like ramen or something like that. Super cute, fun. Too much fun. There's like bean paste candies. Event number 19, I always try and get my animals in here. And I have King is event 19, and we actually had the sorting hat on him. Madison got a sorting hat for Christmas from her boyfriend's family, and King with his sorting is a Gryffindor, so I stuck a Gryffindor sticker on there. Day 20 was whether the weather wanted to decide to be Christmassy or even wintry or not. So this is as much snow as we got, and the puppy was in that picture, it just so happens. And then a couple days after Christmas, it was like there is greenery growing outside, so I just put the Let It Snow 3x4 card and the number 20. And in these pockets here, I'll make these little shaker pockets. 21 is Madison's cat, and I'll write something about that. This is ultimately for Madison, so she, of course, needs her cat in there. 22 is